welcome to the channel. This is Kate Janeway PMA, and today what we're gonna do with these totally looks like you should maybe throw out, but they're actually ripe, perfectly ripe bananas. We're gonna make the best vegan banana bread in the entire world, and it's gonna be so good, you guys. It's gonna be cheap, it's gonna be easy, and it's gonna be so delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is preheat our oven because that's gonna take a while. So we just need to go ahead and make sure that we put it onto 350, and then we're gonna turn our oven settings on to just the regular bake settings. And we're gonna wait for this pretty bad boy to heat up. Bananas, a big bowl, and this smasher. But first what we need to do is we need to get the bananas inside the bowl. Next what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these out with my beautiful knife. It's very sharp and gorgeous. So, and I'm just gonna got 4 of them. I'm just gonna do a quick, just bam, done. Next, what I'm gonna be doing, one at a time, is slice. There you go. And you could actually save these banana skins to make banana bacon if you want in the future. Now with our bananas, we're just going to go ahead and take them and put them into pieces into our bowl like so, and grab our masher and get to mashing. Get your anger out on this. Get it out. Get it all